Thinking of starting a home automation services business in Singapore? With rising demand for smart living, energy efficiency, and connected homes, Singapore is an ideal market for home automation solutions. First, define your service offerings. Will you provide smart lighting, security systems, climate control, home entertainment, or full smart home integration? A clear service scope helps you target the right customers. Next, set up your business structure. Most service providers register a private limited company and ensure compliance with electrical safety standards, data protection regulations, and relevant authority requirements. Invest in skilled technicians, certified products, and strong quality control processes. Reliable installation, cybersecurity, and after-sales support are key to building customer trust. Finally, grow your business by partnering with property developers, interior designers, and using digital marketing to reach homeowners and commercial clients. Ready to start your home automation services business in Singapore? 3E Accounting Singapore can assist with company incorporation, compliance, and financial planning. Visit our website to get started today.